This summer, celebrate the comfort of home and the pride of American craftsmanship. There's something special about American summers. Backyard barbecues, family gatherings, evenings on the porch, and making memories with the people who matter most. At Rhody Rug, we're proud to be part of those moments with rugs that are crafted right here in the USA. Every Rhody rug is made with quality, care, and a commitment to craftsmanship that's been woven into our company for generations. Designed for real homes and real life, our rugs bring lasting comfort, durability, and timeless style to every space. As we celebrate the spirit of America and look ahead to America's 250th birthday, we're honored to continue a tradition of American manufacturing and to create products that help make houses feel more like home. And to help celebrate, enjoy 25% off your online order with code USA250 at checkout. Rhody Rug, premium quality, American made.